Today we will be assembling a high-quality nightstand. Step 1. First, install all the long screws on the cabinet panels. A total of 7 panels were installed using 25 screws. Step 2. Assemble the cabinet body. Install wooden boards numbered 1, 2, and 7 onto board number 6, securing them with circular metal clips. Then install the number 5 back panel and the number 4 top panel. These round metal clips must be tightened securely, otherwise the cabinet will rattle. Step 3. Install the slide rails on the cabinet body. The reserved holes on the wooden board correspond to the 4th hole and the 3rd to last hole on the metal slide rail. Tighten all the round metal clips. Finally, install the metal cabinet legs onto the base plate. Step 3. Install the drawers. First, attach the 8 long screws to both drawer fronts. Secure the 2 side panels with round metal clips. Slide the drawer bottom into the slots, then attach the drawer's inner panel with self-tapping screws. Next, install the other half of the drawer slide. Once aligned, secure both ends with small screws. Finally, slide the drawer into place to complete the entire installation.